Sewing machines have come a long way, from simple mechanical workhorses to high-tech companions for creativity, repair, and fashion. In 2025, whether you're just starting out, a passionate hobbyist, or an experienced sewer, having the right machine can totally change your sewing game. That's why we've rounded up the 6 best sewing machines of 2025, packed with features like advanced stitch options, quilting support, and easy threading to suit every skill level and budget. Check out the links in the description below to learn more about each one and find your perfect match. Number 6. GUI TL2000 Kai. If you're serious about quilting and want a machine that can keep up with fast, precise stitching, the GUI TL2000 Kai is a favorite among advanced sewers and quilting enthusiasts. This robust, industrial-style machine focuses on one thing and does it exceptionally well: straight stitching. It runs at an impressive 1,500 stitches per minute, letting you power through large projects quickly. One of its standout features is the large throat space, which gives you plenty of room to maneuver bulky quilts with ease. It also includes handy touches like automatic thread trimming and a knee lifter, so your hands stay free to guide fabric smoothly. This machine is perfect for serious quilters or intermediate to advanced users who want a durable, high-speed workhorse. Its heavy-duty build and powerful motor handle thick fabrics without breaking a sweat. Plus, it operates quietly with smooth fabric feeding, so you can sew for hours without distraction. On the downside, the GUI TL2000 Kai only does straight stitches, no zigzag or decorative options, so it's less versatile for general sewing or beginners. But if quilting is your focus, this machine delivers reliable, professional quality results every time. Number 5. Janom Sewist 725S. For those stepping up their sewing game, the Janom Sewist 725S strikes a great balance between versatility and ease of use. This mid-range machine is perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want a reliable machine that can handle a variety of projects without overwhelming complexity. It comes equipped with 18 built-in stitches, covering all the basics plus stretch and decorative options, giving you plenty of creative freedom. You can easily adjust stitch length and width to customize your work. Plus, the built-in needle threader takes the hassle out of threading, while the drop feed dog feature lets you try free-motion quilting when you're ready to experiment. This machine is ideal for beginners who want room to grow and explore different sewing styles. It's user-friendly, offers consistent stitch quality, and has a lightweight, portable design that makes it easy to move around or store. While it doesn't have the extensive stitch library or LCD screen of more advanced models, the Janom Sewist 725S delivers smooth stitching on a wide range of fabric types, from delicate silks to sturdy denim, making it a dependable choice for everyday sewing. Number 4. Brother HC1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. If you're looking for a budget-friendly machine that doesn't skimp on features, the Brother HC1850 is a fantastic choice. It's designed with quilters and beginners in mind, offering a wide range of stitches and useful tools without breaking the bank. This model boasts 130 built-in stitches, including 8 styles of one-step buttonholes, giving you plenty of creative freedom. The easy-to-read LCD screen makes stitch selection a breeze, and the drop feed function opens the door to free-motion quilting. It even comes with a wide table to support larger quilting projects comfortably. Perfect for budget-conscious quilters and sewers who want a versatile machine for everyday tasks, the HC1850 combines solid construction with reliable performance. It handles everything from basic repairs to intricate quilting with ease. On the downside, the machine can be a bit noisy during operation, and some users might find that the thread tension needs occasional tweaking for perfect stitches. Still, its robust build and feature set make it a go-to option for many sewers looking to get the most bang for their buck. Number 3. Juki HCLF300. For intermediate sewers looking for a computerized machine that combines user-friendly features with professional quality results, the Juki HCLF300 stands out. This model blends ease of use with precision, making it a reliable choice for garment construction and creative sewing projects alike. It offers 106 built-in stitches, including both decorative and utility options, giving you plenty of versatility. The automatic needle threader and thread cutters streamline your workflow, saving you time and hassle. Plus, the variable sewing speed can reach up to 900 stitches per minute, allowing you to tailor your pace to the project. Ideal for intermediate sewers who want a tech-forward machine that won't slow them down, the HCLF300 impresses with its smooth operation and excellent stitch precision. Its quiet motor means you can sew for hours without noise becoming a distraction, and the sturdy build ensures long-term durability. On the flip side, it comes at a slightly higher price than some entry-level models, and it lacks some quilting-specific features that dedicated quilters might want. but overall it's a solid, all-around performer for anyone serious about sewing. Number 2. Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. For serious hobbyists and small business owners who demand versatility and power, the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 is a standout computerized machine. It packs advanced features and an enormous stitch library into one powerhouse unit designed to handle a wide range of sewing projects with ease. This model offers a staggering 600 built-in stitches, including 13 different buttonhole styles, giving you nearly endless creative possibilities. Features like an automatic thread cutter, needle threader, and adjustable sewing speed put full control at your fingertips. It also comes with an extension table and multiple presser feet, so you're ready for everything from delicate hems to heavy-duty quilting. Ideal for those who sew frequently and want a machine that can grow with their skills, the Quantum Stylus 9960 boasts a powerful motor that delivers smooth fabric handling, whether you're working with thin silks or thick denim. The only trade-offs are its larger footprint, which takes up more workspace, and a slightly steeper learning curve that might overwhelm absolute beginners. But for anyone serious about sewing, this machine offers incredible value and performance. Number 1. Brother XR 9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Topping our list as the best all-rounder of 2025, the Brother XR 9550 combines quilting, embroidery-ready features, and a wide stitch selection into one versatile, user-friendly package. It's built to handle everything from everyday repairs to creative quilting projects, making it perfect for sewers who want a reliable machine that can do it all. This model offers 165 built-in stitches, including 8 styles of one-step buttonholes. Features like an automatic needle threader, drop feed, and an extension table make tackling large projects a breeze. With adjustable speed control up to 850 stitches per minute, you have precise control over every stitch. The Brother XR 9550 is ideal for anyone looking for a durable, versatile machine capable of sewing, quilting, and light embroidery. It delivers great stitch quality and a smooth, consistent performance that will keep you sewing confidently for years. The sleek design and portability also mean it fits easily in any workspace and is simple to store or transport. The only minor downside is that mastering all its functions can take some time, but once you get the hang of it, this machine offers incredible value and flexibility for sewers of all skill levels. That wraps up our list of the 6 best sewing machines for 2025, covering everything from powerful industrial-style quilters to versatile all-rounders perfect for beginners and hobbyists. No matter your skill level or budget, there's a machine here to fit your needs and help bring your sewing projects to life. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore each model in detail. Let us know in the comments which sewing machine caught your eye, or share your own sewing stories. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sewing and crafting gear reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.